In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a t-shirt in Adobe Photoshop. So you can see on the screen here that I have this guy wearing a white t-shirt, and if you want to go and change the color of this t-shirt, then we first need to right click on the selection tool and make sure to click on Object Selection Tool. Now next to the mode, click on the drop down arrow and select Lasso. Now, once you have your layer selected, then just go and create a quick selection around your t-shirt. So I'm just going to make a quick selection like this. And because we have the object selection tool selected, you can see it will automatically detect the edges of the t-shirt. Now click on Subtract from Selection in the top navigation. And you can use this to remove any areas that shouldn't be selected. Now, my selection's pretty accurate, so I won't be using this tool. So what we need to do now is click on the adjustments layer in the bottom navigation, click on solid color, and now go and select a new color for your t-shirt. So I'm just going to keep this as black and press OK. Now click on the drop down next to blend mode, and we're going to change this to linear burn. Now you can see that if we zoom into the image, we can still see some outline around the t-shirt. So to fix this, click on the mask button, then click on window in the top navigation, and then make sure you have properties selected like this. Now over here on the right hand side, we can go and increase the feather. So I'm just going to set mine to 2.6. And that's it guys, that's how you change the t-shirt color in Photoshop. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.